No.
Recognize the passion I have for the craft, the effort I'm giving with every line that I write. A ridiculous life is affecting my content. All of the sins that was sit on my conscience, insecurities that I am possessing. Why is my depth in a constant obsession? I am afflicted. Think about the life that I chose and the path of the young nigga moving on. And I've been down and out cause I was looking for the answer, but never really had no question. Tell me that I'm accepted. I'm getting sick and tired of rejection. I said I can't deal with the nonsense. The pain been constant. I wish I wasn't this depressed so I could deal with the stress. I feel it all times. I'm debating what the fuck I'ma do with the cadence. I hope it is a weed nigga. I can take it deep to the depths of your soul with a list of my goals that I can never retain. And you will take it in vain. I tried to explain and giving you my pain. Take a listen to the record and tell me I'm insane with the way that I was raised. I swear that I've been trained, prepared to be alone. I pray that I can atone. I've been looking for the meaning in the life with the voice in my head, trying to get it all right. I could never get the light when I felt that I needed it. Proceeded with my genius, conceiving this, the meanest shit. You will with pen and paint it. And the second that a nigga picking the pen, I guess it all depends upon the mood and the man and the mind state of which that I write this. Putting my time as I redefine what it is. Commended for my dedication. You never related, relaying my pain in the passages written on pages. The scripture for sinners, the sentence is safe. I give you the truth and it's never debated, degraded by hatred and giving your ignorant comment. Deceitful accomplice, the reason my love is abolished. Lord, I'm writing a story that you couldn't fathom. Yeah, I'm giving a vision that you can't imagine. Yeah, do I wanna live is the question that I have been asking. All of the pain that I put in my lyrics, I'm wondering can anybody really grasp me, Lord? Yeah, you wondering what is my thesis? Yeah, you wondering what is my thesis? Yeah, you wondering what is my thesis? Why am I lonely when people are phony? I felt like I needed someone to believe in, Lord. Tell me that you want the real shit and take